Puerto Rico recently signed an executive order that requires visitors to show proof of a negative coronavirus test.
A COVID-19 test 72 hours prior to arriving.
Implementing some of the strictest lockdown restrictions in the U.S.
Let's go to Puerto Rico. Hola! You'll notice I look a little bit different than the last time you saw me. A lot has happened. So we touched down in San Juan. We went through their COVID patrol slash border they set up outside of the airport. It was stupid easy, but I need to, like, on a cellular level, I need to show you with every fiber of my being how incredible this Airbnb is. It is absolutely stunning. We're staying in Old San Juan, which is the historic heart of San Juan. So let me show you this amazing place. This place has the most beautiful, gigantic balcony that I've ever seen, and it's all for us. Okay, so you walk in the front door and there is a spiral staircase that you can take up to the loft bed. I'll show you guys in a sec. This place is equipped with a full kitchen, like, well, they don't have an oven, but I mean, what more could you need? It's got a TV, a desk, a nice little dining space. It's got a nice little sleeper sofa, luggage carrier. We love that. It's got beautiful decor. And of course, it has this beautiful balcony. Okay, so this place also has a bathroom. It's down by the kitchen. Super nice. And I'm gonna show you guys the fun spiral staircase up to the loft. All right, so walking up the spiral staircase, and look at this setup. It is just lined with beautiful songs in Spanish. Maybe they're classic Puerto Rican songs. Thankfully, 2 AC units and a full-length mirror. We love. Alrighty, now that we changed and checked out our Airbnb, it's time for some Puerto Rican food.
Yeah,
alright, let's go. Oh my god, that is so refreshing. Guys, it's like 85 out. We're looking for a place to eat, and I think we found, actually, you know what? We were on Google Maps trying to find the one that our host recommended to us, and these guys saw us and they came right over and they were like, hey, we got authentic Puerto Rican food, and then I was like, all right, you got us. So we are at, what is the name of this place? The Chapel Restaurant and Bar. They got happy hour going. We're in this nice spot in the shade. Yes, sir. Now we just gotta figure out something to eat and enjoy. Guys, so I got the chicken mofongo, which is a Puerto Rican traditional dish. I think it's the not sure. I got the fish tacos. Take a look at these. Yum. And I got the garlic sauce on top, so I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, ready? Alright.
chicken and the onion. Oh my god. Let me get a bigger bite. Really make sure it's that good. Garlic. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Seth's turn. Yeah. Yum. We absolutely destroyed it. All right, so we just got done at the chapel for lunch, and when we stood up, we were just pounding beers. So when we stood up, it's like, hey, welcome to my channel. But Seth is going into pigeon zone right now. He's really getting a picture of the monument or whatever that is. It's really cool. So the plan is, now that we've got full happy bellies, we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, load up some more gear, and head out on an adventure, check out El Morro, which is a part of a really cool old fort the Spanish built, and explore Old San Juan. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it!
Look how beautiful this is. We just stumbled upon. We're just walking down this road, and there's way less people. I think this is like close to the start of El Morro.
What is it?
Oh my vibes! What?
Where did we just stumble? Is this a gem? Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is what we just discovered. Who even knows what's in there? But guys, look at this. Oh my god. I cannot believe that this
is in the US, technically. Although it's not even a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, doesn't make any sense. But wow. This is so picturesque. Wow, I'm stunned.
This is so truly stunning. The camera doesn't do it justice, but
So on our little stumble upon this road, we just passed a really cool guy and somebody he was with, and he was telling us that the governor's mansion is right around the corner here. So maybe we'll check that out and explore some more. So far, Puerto Rico has blown us away. It's so stunning. I love it.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah.
Alright, so it is dinner now. We found this restaurant called Pierlo's that our Airbnb host recommended to us, and we had a fat nap earlier.
You had a fat nap.
I had a fat nap. I fell asleep. I had the worst headache, but travel days are always so hectic. So we went walking around. I found this restaurant, and maybe you're gonna go to the bar after.
Yeah, let's go to the bar.
Yeah. All right. Also, I didn't bring my camera, so I'm using my phone.
How is it? Out of 10? 10 out of 10. So yummy. Seth got a pesto pizza in Stuntsville. Yummo. and I got some meaty gnocchi. How is it?
That is so good.
Really? Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's good. It's interesting. It's not the best I've ever had. But the sauce is good. You can tell it's homemade. Maybe. I think it's homemade.
Okay. This vlog is officially chaotic. Alright, so phone died while we were at dinner. We went to Pierlo's Italian place. Our host recommended it, and it was pretty dang good. Honestly, I think I enjoyed lunch better though. That traditional Puerto Rican food was so good, and it actually ended up being cheaper with drinks and all at lunch than this dinner. So thought I'd mention that. But up next, guys, I'm waiting for my phone to charge up, and Seth and I are getting a little dressed up. I've just got my trousers back on and a crop top, and we are heading to La Factoria. Sorry, that kind of sounded Italian. Let me try more Spanish. La Factoria. La Factoria? I don't know how to do. Comment down below. Also, in these multiple Puerto Rico vlogs, I will be saying things wrong. I'm sorry. Feel free to correct me though, but I'm trying my best. Anyway, we're heading to La Factoria. What the hell is that? I'll tell you. It is a very popular and well-known, I think worldwide well-known, for their great atmosphere, delicious drinks, really talented bartenders, and affordable drink prices. So we're gonna check that out. So this bar also has multiple bars inside of this one bar. So it's supposed to be like 6 or 7 rooms in this building that are each their own bar with different specialty drinks. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to vlog in there. I'm gonna try my best. I'm bringing my phone, so it's like, what's happening? I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna bring my phone and try and sneak some shots there. I don't know. I'm not gonna bring this giant camera because it's kind of like, hey, look at me, and I'm trying to be like low key. You know what I mean? So I will see you guys in La Factoria.
Give us a fit check. Fit check. All right. Here's the deal. La Factoria is absolutely popping, and nobody is wearing masks. And as soon as we got there, Seth goes, "Is this a place you want to get COVID? Or you want to risk getting COVID?" And I'm like, oh my God, I didn't even think about it.
Because if you want to get COVID, we can go get COVID. But
No, I'm sorry. Look, I don't even want to do that for the vlog. So sorry, y'all. But there are a bunch of cool bars on this street. They just are all hopping, and I don't really bring bar energy, so I can't explain other than that. But
it would have been super cool if COVID wasn't a thing and we didn't have to
yes,
worry about
today, a year
it.
ago,
Yeah.
would have been awesome.
Yeah.
But today, exactly, that's crazy. So we're gonna call it a night and go to sleep since we were up at 4:30 a.m. But guys, that's the vlog. Stay tuned for more. We are heading to Loquillo/Fallardo tomorrow, which is on the East Coast. So make sure you're subscribed and give this video a big fat thumbs up. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.